In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your form guide in Hubspot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to grab the unique identifier for any Hubspot form, which is essential for embedding forms on your site or connecting them to other tools. First, open your browser and search for Hubspot, then head to the login page. Sign in with your account so you're in the correct portal. If you have access to multiple accounts, make sure you're in the one that contains the form you want. Otherwise, you won't see the right forms list. Once you're in, look at the main navigation bar and go to Marketing. From there, choose Forms. This takes you to the Forms dashboard where all your forms are listed. If you have a lot of forms, use the Pages search box or filters to quickly locate the specific form you need. The process is the same, whether the form is standalone or embedded on a page. On the row of the form you need, open the Actions menu. Depending on your screen size, this might appear as a labeled Actions button or as a three-dot icon. Click it, and from the drop-down, select Share. This opens HubSpot's sharing options for that form. In the Share panel, choose Embed Code. You'll see a code snippet appear. This is the exact code you can place on your website to render the form. Within that snippet, HubSpot includes several parameters, and the important one for us is the form ID. It looks like a long string of letters and numbers with dashes. That value is your form guide. You don't have to change anything here. Just note that the guide is embedded right inside this code, so it's easy to reference. To capture it, click the Copy button. That copies the entire embed code to your clipboard, including the form ID value. From here, you can share it with a developer, paste it into your website builder, or extract just the form ID if an integration asks for the GUID specifically. If you're passing it to someone else, consider adding a short note pointing out that the form ID field is the GUID they'll need. A quick recap: log into your HubSpot account, go to Marketing, then Forms. Find your form, open Actions, click Share, choose Embed Code, and hit Copy. The form GUID is the value labeled form ID inside that embed snippet. If you don't see forms or the actions menu, you might need the right permissions, so check with your account admin. That's it. You now know the fastest, most reliable way to find your form GUID in HubSpot.